we were talking about the correct type of detectable warnings versus the incorrect. And today we're going to show you the incorrect type of a dome. As you can see the color on it, they should be a federal yellow in color. You can see the size on it. Although it is the full width, it's being cut in half. So it has to be a minimum of 3 feet deep, but this one has been cut in half. Now as I bring you closer, you can see what I'm talking about, how they come loose. See how they come loose? And that's what creates, you've got a 3/4 of an inch or an inch tripping hazard. And this is an incorrect dome that could cause or is a potential for a large lawsuit. Thank you for joining me today in viewing what the domes were truly all about, correct versus incorrect.